Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Right now we are standing here in Rajawadi Hospital. So Rajawadi Hospital is one among the 5 hospitals which has been authorized to provide vaccination for the people of 18 years and above. Now here you can see behind me there is a long queue. This area is for registration. Those people who have registered on the CoWIN app, they're here for a verification, and from here you can see the corner over there, they will be getting the vaccination over there. Now today when the vaccination drive for 18 and above have started, this day over here in Rajawadi and other centers have started with a little bit of confusion and chaos. Here right now there are many people standing over here who have registered on the app a day before, but today they have missed their slot. They have been told that the slot has been over and they cannot be getting the vaccination now. So let's talk to them and understand what's going on here. Ma'am, आपका नाम?
दिव्या.
दिव्या, आप कब से खड़ी हैं यहाँ पे?
आई एम स्टैंडिंग हियर सिंस 9 o'clock in the morning.
9 o'clock और अभी तक आपका वैक्सीनेशन हुआ नहीं?
No.
Why? What's the problem?
Actually, we booked for Rajawadi van, but it got cancelled, and we were not aware that it got cancelled. When we came over here, then we got a message that it's cancelled.
Okay.
So, but they are trying their best to accommodate us. But the decision took a long period to decide what to do and what not to do.
So what solution have they offered now?
So they are entering with the another ID proof. So we are going through a PAN card. So they're trying their best. They are trying their best.
They are trying their best to accommodate.
See, they are trying their best, but what has happened since morning, we have been waiting. This is not fair on the part. So what happened in the night was 12:30 when BMC announced on Twitter saying vaccination open for 18 to 14. Rajawadi one was the first thing to open up. And then later on the other part. Exactly. All of us did at 12 o'clock, 12 sharp. Rajawadi one, everyone registered.
Then we went to sleep.
And we went to sleep. Then later on Rajawadi 2 opened up and they took registration for that. Then in the morning we came to know Rajawadi 1, whoever registered is no longer valid. We never thought that this is going to be a system. So they've been making us wait till 9 o'clock saying that we have spoken to Mantralaya, we have spoken to BMC headquarters, spoken to the central government to see what is the option. Now an option has come out saying that we will try to re-register you and do something and give in because
to do it, but
you guys have waited.
Good, very good. They have put in a lot of efforts.
Thanks to BMC to take an effort and at least giving us by 4 o'clock. But yes, we are a little bit angry on the terms of organizing it last moment. After organizing, doing all of these mistakes in Rajawadi 1 and Rajawadi, creating a confusion for others. It is not fair on our part for waiting from 9 o'clock since morning because, see, end of the day, having so much people also based on COVID scare, and the government has clearly said maintain social distancing. The only thing what is being maintained in the morning is social distancing, nothing else more than that.
Okay, I would like to add that they did try their best and they are doing it. Okay. It's like they were understanding that we are waiting for so long and they were trying their very best. So I would like to thank them also because sometimes technical error also they can't also do about it.
Sir, आपने कब register किया था?
So we are together. हम साथ कल रात को 12:05 पर register किया हमने.
Okay.
And again we went back to sleep. Morning we found out it's been cancelled.
Okay.
We came here. We have been waiting. Right now there's some hope that it will happen. But since morning we have been told होगा नहीं होगा पता नहीं है. We have been waiting.
So कितने लोग हैं आपके पास साथ अभी?
I think there are 2 batches, Rajawadi 2 and 1. I think 2 वाले में सबका हो गया है. 1 में I think about 30 people, 25-30 people will be there.
Okay.
And we have been waiting for past 4 hours without knowing क्या होगा. Right now it seems like it will happen.
So how is the response over here in the center?
I think they've been, I mean, to be honest, they've been trying their best to help us out. But I think there's some system-related glitches that they've been not able to sort. They've been trying to reach out to BMC and state government, central government, CoWIN people. So finally they've been able to help, find some solution now. So they've helped, but the thing is that, I mean, it's not possible to maintain a lot of social distancing here. So all the people together sitting for 5 hours, that's not a great idea.
Thank you. Sir, you're also here since morning?
Yep.
What time you had come over here?
Around 9:30.
9:30. What are they saying now? Why isn't the vaccination over yet?
There's some system for failure that they have, because of which there's some system failure per se, some system mistake that they did, because of which the ones who registered around 12 to 1 last night couldn't get in over here, and the ones who registered after 1 o'clock did get in.
So did you find any difficulty in registering on the CoWIN app?
Yeah, obviously there's a lot of people who were trying to register themselves and book the slot, so the site was crashing and the OTP was getting delayed a bit. but I think the servers are doing their job.
So this was Rajawadi Hospital. So you can see there are a lot of people over here, especially the batch of 15 to 20 people who have come here for vaccination. They had registered, but yet again they cannot get through the system app over here. And there are many news about even CoWIN app crashing due to the overload of registration. But this is just the day one of the vaccination drive, which is for 18 years and above. So just let's hope with the coming days, with the coming time, this vaccination drive also picks up steam. With Shiva Devnath, this is Nazia Syed for Mojo Story, Mumbai.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.